Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix the ow snap error in Google Chrome. I opened Google Chrome once and ran into the frustrating ow snap error where the page just refuses to load no matter how many times you refresh it. One of the first things I usually try is clearing the browser's stored data. I click on the three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, and head into Privacy and Security. From there, I will select Clear Browsing Data, switch the time range to all time, and remove things like cache images, cookies, and browsing history. I usually leave passwords and autofill alone so I don't have to log into everything again. If Chrome still acts up after that, the next thing I check is extensions. Sometimes an extension can conflict with certain pages, so I open Manage Extensions and disable anything unnecessary. And if the issue keeps showing up, updating Chrome or Windows can often resolve it. Once those quick fixes are done, Chrome usually goes back to loading pages normally. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.